Hello, welcome to our tutorial about Padlet. Padlet is a virtual tool where people can express and share their opinions, thoughts, ideas, photos, and images. It can be used for professors to enhance the virtual learning experience. Why did we choose Padlet? Okay, because it is a simple tool, it is easy to use, it makes lessons more interesting, and posts can be written via cell phones, via tablets or computers. And the best of all, Padlet is a free tool, so you can use it with no cost. Okay, how do we start? The first thing, we have to open our browser, and then we're gonna type padlet.com. Okay, now we are in our Padlet. If you are the first time user, you have to register. To register into Padlet, all that you have to do is to sign in and type your email address. Okay, once you do that, you have to choose the free registration or the paid registration. Of course, we use the free registration. Okay, now we are in our dashboard. In our dashboard, you are able to see all the Padlets that you have done previously. Of course, this is our first time, so we are going to start from zero. The first thing that we have to do is to start making a new Padlet. So we go to the Make a Padlet button and click it. Automatically it opens a new window, and in this window you can see the 7 different ways as you can start with your Padlet. You can start using a wall, a stream, a grid, a shelf, a map, a canvas, and a timeline. For this time we are gonna use the wall. Okay, so as soon as we click with the wall, it automatically opens our Padlet. As you can see in the right side of your screen, you are going to see a window that says modify, and in this area you can modify the title, the description, and some other information that we are going to learn. Okay, the first thing that I'm going to do it is to change our title, and we are going to type outdoor activities. Okay, now in the description, I'm gonna type a question for our students. What is your favorite outdoor activity? And we place the question mark. If you want, you can add an icon just clicking in this arrow. And okay, let's place the soccer ball. Okay, you can see now the icon with the soccer ball in the left corner of your screen. Okay, now we can also continue down, and we'll see the address. The address is the electronic address that Padlet gives us to localize our site on the internet. You can copy that address and you can send it to your students or your co-professors. Also, you can change the appearance starting with the wallpaper. If you don't like this one, you want solid colors, you can switch it, or if you want pictures, you can also change it for a picture or for a photo or whatever you want to do it here. As I told you at the beginning, it is a very easy tool to work with. Also, you can use the color scheme and the font. It is for the letters. Okay, You have 4 different fonts that you can use. The next action that you can do it is the posting. You can click on the attribution so you can see who is posting in your Padlet and when he or she did it. Also, you can choose the way as you want to see all the posts, the first or the last. It depends on if you want to see the last one who posted, or you want to see them in order. It means the first one first and the last one at the end. Okay. Also, you can click on comments, and with that you can allow that the viewers can comment your post or the post of your students. Also, you can choose the reactions. If you want, you can just leave it with no reactions, or if you want that your students give you some kind of feedback, you can let them to click a like, a vote, or stars from 1 to 5. And if you want to give to your students Padlets, your student posts grades, then you can choose grades, and then you are gonna select what will be the maximum grade. Okay, I'm gonna leave it on 10. Okay, let's go back. Then you also have the content filtering. The content filtering has 2 options. The first one, the approval required. What it means that if you as a professor see some post of any of your students and you don't like the way as he or she did it, you can disapprove the post. So you are like a filter for all the posts of your students. Also, there is a profanity filter. It replaces any bad word that your student posts for an emoji. So in that way, you can deliberate if that is a good or a bad post of your students. And the last one is map domain, but just let's leave it for another tutorial. Okay, once we have finished modifying our Padlet, then we click in the next button, and now you are set. Now you can start with your posting. Just clicking in here. Okay, this is the way as you are gonna see your dashboard. Okay, now how do we post for the first time? Okay, we go to this plus button in here down, and then the subject. Okay, the question here is outdoor activities. I'm sorry, wait a minute. Outdoor activities. So the question is, what is your favorite outdoor activity? So I'm gonna click in here and I'm gonna place my subject, my favorite outdoor activity. Okay, these icons let you to share or to upload images, documents, videos, links, or whatever you want to. Okay, in this case I'm gonna open my computer, and then I'm gonna look for an image. Okay, just one image, just as an example. Okay, it is coming. Okay, this is my favorite outdoor activity. Okay, I love, okay, kite fly. Okay, and I'm gonna publish, and that's the way as I can see my Padlets in my dashboard. Okay, as you remember, I can grade this post because I mark the I mean I check and I place 10/10, and that's it. Okay, if you want to change something, then you can go to the modify options and do it again. So that's all. Thank you for your time.